Bye!
Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Joyce and welcome back to another vlog. So for today's video, I will teach you how to achieve this fresh and glowy makeup look. This is a quick and easy way to do, especially if may pupuntahan kayo at kailangan nyo magmadali pero gusto nyo ma-achieve yung natural and dewy look, then just keep on watching. Before we actually start, make sure that you're done with your skincare routine para protected yung skin natin on whatever products that we will put on our face later. And then of course, I'll use this headband just to make sure na walang sasagabal na hair sa ating face. Also, we have to make sure that our hands are clean and well sanitized, especially if we apply or blend products using our fingertips. Next, I'm going to put this Belo Tinted Sunscreen as my base for today. I love this product because it's not heavy at all and it has SPF 50 to protect our skin. This is very important, especially if lagi tayong exposed sa sun. So, I'm just going to put it all over my face and then blend it. Next is I'm going to put a little bit of concealer using this Revlon Colorstay concealer in the shade 03 or light medium. I have so many dark spots right now that need to be covered, so I'm just gonna spot conceal para sa mga unwanted areas, and then of course I will use this triangle facial sponge and then dab the product gently to blend it all in. By the way, for today's makeup look, we will try not to use powder just to look more dewy, so we will skip that part. Moving on to my brows, since I already have thick brows and sis, nakatamad na rin magkilay, no? So I'm just gonna brush it and will not put any product on it because I just want my brows to look more natural. Next is applying mascara, but of course we need to curl our lashes first. Then apply a good coat of Revlon Ultra Volume Mascara Blackest Black. In most days, I use this one because it provides a natural volume to my lashes and it also has a decent brush which applies well. For my blush, I will be using this Revlon Kiss Cloud Blotted Lip Color in the shade 010 or Soft Sienna. Obviously, it's a lippy but I prefer to use it for my cheeks. I love the shade of this one. It's kind of peachy, plus it looks really good on my skin and it's very blendable. Next is for my lips. This is my current fave lippy, which is the Revlon Ultra HD Matte Lip Color in the shade 645 or HD Forever. This shade is really perfect for me because it matches my natural lip color and it feels soft, very lightweight, and it has a moisturizing feel. And I'm so obsessed with the smell because it smells like marshmallow. Next, for me, this is the most satisfying part, which is applying a little bit of glow on my face. So I'm gonna use this Revlon Photoready Instafix highlighting stick in the shade 210 or Gold Light. Just smooth the highlighting stick over your skin, along your cheekbone or on the areas that you really do think you need glow. And I highly recommend this one because it gives me the right amount of shimmer. It's very easy to use and it really stays on all day. And lastly, don't forget to apply a mist to set your face. So I'll just spray my favorite mist from Fresh Skinlab. This is the Tomato Glass Skin All Day Makeup Setter. This is just to add more dewiness on your face and to have that more natural and fresh glow. Just let it dry and there you have it.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. You see her.
So yeah, that will be the complete look. I hope you enjoyed this video and thank you guys so much for watching and happy 1K subscribers to us. Thank you so much for your support. Please click like and don't forget to subscribe on my channel and click the notification bell para updated kayo sa mga upcoming videos ko. So I'll see you on my next one guys. Bye!
Like it's